Niagara Falls, Canada, and today I have for you the June Trilia Planning package, and this is a Canadian subscription for planner girls, and as far as I know it's the only subscription kit for planners that is Canadian, which I absolutely love because price is Canadian dollars, shipping is included, and it's just really great. So everything comes in a piece of scrapbook paper that looks like it's an 8x8, and it was done up with a little bit of washi, some sprinkles, and a cactus tag, and on the back she has a nice little handwritten note. So, and also she uses these really sparkly envelopes, and if you have the patience, so actually it doesn't take that much patience, you can pull off the bubble wrap inside so that you end up with just a piece of sparkly paper, and I've put them inside junk journals. Alright, so let's move that over so it doesn't take up the room. Okay, so there's a sticker kit in here, but let's look at that last. So what we also get is a chocolate and a 4x6 card. That's really pretty. So we can see we've got a theme of greens going on here. We got a couple of die cuts. I really like this one, life documented, but I love the typewriter. That is something that I want to get so badly, is a typewriter. Another 4x6 card. Got a couple of 3x4s. My thoughts on, these will make good journaling cards. And oh, the back. Okay, so yeah, definitely got the green theme going on. We have a little bit of washi here, some black and white. I love black and white. I'm starting to collect black and white washi. And then some mint green here. And then this is really cool. It's a trifold Project Life card, but 3x4. But that'll be great for when I have a lot to say for a journaling card. And this is absolutely gorgeous. This was made by Miss Pippa Jane, and I'm not 100% sure what it is. It's got orange thread, but the inside is, it's either an orange slice or a grapefruit slice. Pink grapefruit or an orange. I really want to call it a grapefruit. But this is adorable. I love this a lot. And yeah, of course there's the washi and the paper in the back there. Then we get a few 6x6s. We've got green, a little pattern on it, and then kind of like brush strokes on there. So they're plain on the back. And then, where is the, is it on here? No, there was something, I'm missing it. I must have dropped it oh, here it is. This one right here tells us the things that are included. So I'll just go through them and then I'll tell you what this is. This is a mini kit of one of her, stickers. Oh, I couldn't think of the word. This is a mini kit of one of her sticker kits. So, let's see. Paper, 6x6 paper is from Dear Lizzie's Happy Place. The journaling cards are from Project Life Strawberry Edition. The 3x4s are from Echo Park's Summer Fun. Interactive Element from Simple Stories I Am collection. What do you think that would be? I think that'd be this one that opens up. Ephemera from Simple Stories. Washi samples, I guess that's both of those. Washi samples from Echo Park and Mambi. This one's Mambi because I've had a sample of that before. And this is a mini version of her new Beach Day kit. So we get, I really like the colors, and of course we have the green color as our theme here, and also some pastels. So we got habit trackers, just, I don't know what everything's called, but these are the functionals. Then we have to-do lists, and some headers, a flag. The colors are washed out in the camera here. It's a rainy day, so my light's not the greatest, but the colors are, they're pastel, but they're definitely more vibrant than what it's showing up on the camera. And then some full boxes here. These are really nice. So yeah, I really like the weekend. And there you have it. That is a month's planner packet subscription from Trilia Planning. I will put the link down below to her Etsy shop if you are interested. So thank you for joining me, and I will talk to you next time. Oh, and sorry for the black finger I've been painting. Bye!